Good morning class. 10th A. 10th A, our chapter Madam Write the Bus is completed. So I am going to dictate you long answer type questions. I have given you short answer type questions and NCERT questions, all I have given. But today I am going to dictate the long answer type questions. So write down all the student, take out your notebook and write down the question number 1 लिखिए. लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन है, लिखिए व्हाट वाज वल्ली डीपेस्ट डिजायर. व्हाट वाज वल्लीज डीपेस्ट डिजायर. फाइंड द वर्ड शब्द वाला एंड फ्रेजेस इन द स्टोरी दैट टेल यू दिस. क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वाज वल्ली डीपेस्ट डिजायर. Deepest desire. Find the word and phrases in the story that tell you this. Answer लिखिए. Wally's deepest desire was to take a ride in a bus. Full stop. She had never been to any journey ever before. She had never been to any journey ever before. Full stop. The following words and phrases tell us about this. Number 1 लिखिए. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. Number 2 point लिखिए. The sight of bus, SIGST, the sight of bus, comma, was a source की स्पेलिंग बोलना है SOURCE, source of unending लिखिए. Unending, UNENDING, unending joy for Valli, unending joy for Valli. Number 3 point डालिए. gradually, GRADUALLY, gradually a tiny wish crept into her head. Full stop. She wanted to ride on that bus just once. ये आपका क्वेश्चन हो गया. दूसरा लिखिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का लिखिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ डिड वल्ली प्लान हर बस राइड. What did she find out about the bus. फुल स्टॉप लगाइए. एंड फुल स्टॉप नहीं, कॉमा है. एंड हाउ डिड सी सेव द फेयर. आंसर लिखिए. इसका अर्थ है कि वल्ली ने अपनी बस की सवारी कैसे नियोजित की, कैसे प्लान की और उसने बस के बारे में क्या जानकारी हासिल की, उसने किस प्रकार अपना किराया चुटाया यानी बचाया। देखिए आंसर है वल्ली वॉज ए तमिल गर्ल ऑफ 8 years। देखिए वल्ली वॉज ए तमिल गर्ल ऑफ 8 years, फुल स्टॉप। शी हैड नो प्लेमेट्स, शी हैड नो प्लेमेट्स, फुल स्टॉप। It was her favorite pastime. It was her favorite, favorite, favorite pastime. To stand on pastime. To stand on the front doorway of her house. Front doorway of her house, full stop। She watched what was happening in the street outside। She watched what was happening in the street outside, in the street outside, full stop। She had the keenest desire, she had the keenest, KEENEST, keenest desire to have a bus ride, to have a bus ride, to have a bus ride। आगे लिखिए she listened the conversation, she listened the conversation between her neighbors, she listened the conversation between her neighbors and people who were regular bus passenger, full stop। passengers है passengers, full stop। आगे लिखिए she even questioned them, full stop। She had got ample knowledge, she had got ample knowledge about the bus, she had got ample knowledge about the bus, comma, bus fare and duration of time, bus fare and duration of time, bus fare and duration of time। पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए, There ran a bus between her village, there ran a bus between her village and the nearest town, आगे लिखिए the town was 6 miles from her village, the town was 6 miles from her village, full stop। The fare was 30 paise, for one way, the fare was 30 paise for one way, full stop। So she had to collect 60 paise for the both side journey, full stop। This she had heard from a well-dressed person, well-dressed माने अच्छी प्रकार से कपड़े पहने हुए ऐसे व्यक्ति थे। The trip to the town was, आगे लिखिए फुल स्टॉप के बाद, The trip to the town took 45 minutes. 45 minutes. The 45 minutes. आगे लिखिए, पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए. She would board स्पेलिंग हम बोला है BOARD बोर्ड यानी चढ़ना. आगे लिखिए आगे लिखिए. She would board at 1 o'clock afternoon. She would board 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 at 1 o'clock afternoon. 1 o'clock afternoon bus and reach the town at 1:45 and reach the town 1:45. Reach the town at 1:45. Full stop. She would be back by about 2:45. She would be back by about 2:45. About 2:45. 2:45. Full stop. She resisted all her temptations. She resisted स्पेलिंग बोले. She resisted RESISTED. resisted all her temptations. All her temptations स्पेलिंग बोले. TEMPTIONS temptations of buying balloons, toys, and soon saved money. Full stop. At the village fair, she avoided the swing. At the village fair, she avoided the swing. SWING swing माने झूला. She avoided the swing in the merry-go-round. MERRY मेरी हल्का सा डैश दीजिए, गो लिखिए, फिर हल्का सा डैश दीजिए, राउंड लिखिए. merry-go-round. Full stop. Thus she collected her needed money. So he collected her requisite. Spelling बोला requisite. QUISIT. फिर से एक बार स्पेलिंग बोला है. REQUISITE. हाँ, रिक्विसाइट मनी. फुल स्टॉप. आपका ये चैप्टर क्वेश्चन पूरा हो गया. एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दे रहे हैं, जिसका छोटा हो एक बार टेली कर लीजिए. Valli was a Tamil girl of 8 years. She had no playmates. It was her favorite pastime to stand on the front doorway of her house. Full stop. She watched what was happening in the street outside. Full stop. She had the keenest desire to have a bus ride. Full stop. She listened the conversation between her neighbors and people who were regular bus passengers. Full stop. She even requested them. She had got ample knowledge about the bus fare and duration of time. Full stop. There came a bus between her village and the nearest town. The town was 6 miles from the village. The fare was 30 paise for one way, so he had to collect 60 paise for the both sides journey. Full stop. Thus she had heard from a well-dressed person. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. She would board at 1 o'clock afternoon bus and reach the town at 1:45. She would be back by about 2:45. She resisted all her temptations of buying balloons, toys, and soon saved money at the village fair. She avoided the swing in the merry-go-round. Thus, she collected her requisite money. Okay class, आज आपका ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया और इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टर्न में आपको अभी कल जो है ये चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है, ठीक है बच्चों। और अब आपको जो नेक्स्ट टर्न में होगा वो आपको देखते हैं क्या पढ़ाना है। तो आज आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर सही से चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया। ओके क्लास, थैंक यू।